Feliz Dias de las Madres. Did you know that every year Mother's Day for Mexicans happen every May 10th? I didn't know this. Ours is the first Sunday of May. And my tribe knows me better than giving me either flowers or card or a balloon. They always think about something that gets me going, like clay or plant or something like that. So I got a plant, a Monstera Deliciosa. This has always been my favorite and wanted it. And this year I got it, even though I do have a whole house full of indoor plants. This is the last plant. I don't know if it's going to be the last one, but it's going to have to be the last one because I'm running out of room in my house. But this guy right here needs to be repotted because it has been very root bound in a small pot. Without further ado, here is the repot for the Monstera Deliciosa. I hope you guys enjoy it, and happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. And I hope that we're appreciated on the day of mothers. Yes, I said I wasn't going to get another plant. Well, Mother's Day, and this plant just was talking to me. It's like, hey, come take me home. Look at this beautiful plant. So I'm here. I'm going to repot it, the bigger pot, because I already have a space, a place for it inside my house. Sorry for the mess in the background, but this is where I plant my stuff. And this is your Monstera Deliciosa. So here I have peat moss and then some potting soil, and then I'm going to put all of these. This is all worm casting. This is going to be so delicious for the Deliciosa. Taking out all unnecessary things in there. Get out of here, nuts. In a perfect world, there will be no gnats. And I'm just probably not going to use all of this, but I still need to make a pole. So I'm not going to bore you with that. I'm just going to make the pole, just like I made the other pole. What I'm gonna do for now is to take all of this and dump it back into this container where it came from, because I have to make the pole first, but I needed something to mix all of this. Okay, so here's the pole, and I'm just gonna tie it all up with jute. add some more water to this. Make it a little bit sturdy. A little bit more steady. Look at that. Wow. Oh, you know what? I should add some charcoal underneath there at the bottom. Plus, it'll make this pole stand up even better. There. Stand. Just stand. I guess you could do this. It was so difficult to remove this plant from the plastic planter, and I was so afraid that I would break it, so I had to cut it because it was so root bound. I mean, it was time for it to get a bigger pot, and I was just in the nick of time able to figure this out. Guys, look at this. I mean, if that's not root bound, I don't know what it is. So I'm just gonna stand her up like this. And then, oops. I'll tie her up here.